Hey guys, what it is, what's up, what's poppin', what's crackin', all that, period. So if you're new to my channel, my name is LaShey Dion. If you're old, welcome back. Thank you for keeping up with your girl. But yeah, today I just did this watercolor video. You can't tell me that you ain't rocking with this color. Like, this color is bomb, period. This hair is from Ali Pearl Hair Company. I will have all of their information down below, the exact inches, everything you need to know about this hair will be right down below. But the original color of this hair was 613, as you can see right here. So that's exactly how the wig came. Yeah, basically all I did was rinse some hot water, put my dye in, did my color, put it out, and washed it. And this is what you get. Like, it's very easy. It only takes like 5 minutes. Like, it's that simple. But yeah, I really like this hair. The only problem I had with it was that my lace had dyed blue, but as you can see, I did fix it. If y'all want a video on how to remove dye out of lace, I can do that, because there is a way to fix it, and I see ain't too many videos on YouTube about that, so I can do that. But yeah, so if you want to see how I achieve this color, then keep on watching. Okay, so this is how the hair came in this box. This is how the front look, and on the back it's just basically all the hair care tips and the maintenance. So yeah. Also, the hair comes in a plastic bag with the inches numbered on it. So I have a 14-inch bob wig, and it comes wrapped in a hairnet. The wig also comes with the edge wrapping scarf, Ali Pearl, your clutch for that, and the edge brush with the front tip and the bottom tip, and a wig cap. So I'm just showing you the inside of the wig. It looks machine constructed. This is how the hairline looks. Mind you, when I install this, I'm not going to pluck it because I want you guys to see how natural it looked before I even plucked it. The lace is thin and it is transparent, but my lace ended up dying. I will probably do a video on how to remove color out of the lace, but these are the two colors I use from Adore: Indigo Blue and Royal Navy. I used half a bottle of Royal Navy, and I think I ended up using a full bottle of the Indigo Blue, maybe like 75%. So yeah, you already have the hot water in your container or sink or whatever you're using, and you just stir it all up, and then you're gonna dip your hair in it. Now, you should probably ask wherever you're getting your hair from if they bleached their lace, because if they bleached their lace, your lace will dye whatever color you are dipping the hair in. Ali Pearl bleached this lace wig. I don't know why. I guess to get it transparent. So that lace is bleached. That's why the lace ended up coming out blue. I will be ended up making a video on how to remove dye out of lace, because I did get it out. But yeah, so whenever you see the lace end up being blue, then hey, I guess you should just ask whatever company you're ordering from if they bleached their lace, because yeah. Also, wear gloves, y'all. I didn't feel like going to the store getting no gloves, plus I was about to take these nails off anyway. But yeah, wear some gloves, because hello, this is dye and it is gonna dye your hand, your nails. So yeah, I'm about to show y'all exactly how the lace is. This is the lace. It dyed blue. I'm like, what the heck? I had to email the lady and ask her if they had bleached this lace, and they do. So yeah, that's to explain that. But like I said, I will be making a video on how to remove dye out of lace. so these are my final color results. I really loved it. After I cut the camera off, I ended up just removing the blue out of the lace, and then I washed it, and right here you'll see me blow drying it. As you can see, it did lighten up because I went back and I added a little more of the lighter blue to it to lighten it up a little bit, because I wanted it more of electrical and it kind of looked just a little bit darker than what I wanted. So I went back and, you know, redid it. I am going to be using a hot comb. You can get this in your local beauty supply. It's the one that plugs up, not the one your mama heat up. And a Babybliss Pro. I love this flat iron. If you don't have a Babybliss, I also like Paul Mitchell flat irons. So yeah, those are two really good flat irons that I really recommend. And yeah, I'm just going to kind of speed through this process really quickly because I'm kind of blocking the camera. But all I did was go back and flat iron the hair, and I also cut it into a bob. Now the wig already comes cut in a bob, but I wanted mine cut specifically how I wanted it cut. So I kind of went back and made one side shorter and the other side longer. I forgot what that's called. Is it girl, I forgot. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Now in this next clip, you're gonna see your girl with some ashy lace, but y'all already know that's how lace be looking, especially transparent, and I am gonna go back and fix it. So don't be talking about my ashy lace when I first put this on, ma'am. But yeah, so I already put glue on there. I got my ball cap on, and I'm just gonna be pressing this on lightly. You can do however many layers you want. I'm only wearing this wig for like 2 hours, so I only did like I think like 1 or 2 layers of glue. And yeah, I'm just kind of like rushing trying to do this because, like I said, I'm only wearing this for 2 hours for the gram, honestly.
Turn up for that ground. We gon' hit that beat for the ground. Hit that beat for the ground. Hit that beat for the ground. We gon' do that for the ground.
Okay, so yeah, now I'm just going back adding glue to the parts that didn't get glued down. And like I said, add as many layers as you want. I'm only adding like 2. But yeah, I'm gonna take my blow dryer and my comb, and I'm gonna melt the lace because the blow dryer is the sealing part. You want to use the blow dryer to help melt it down and seal it, basically. So I'm just taking some alcohol and I'm just wiping up any extra glue, and I'm going to take the alley pearl edge scarf, and I'm gonna tie my lace down for a little second just to melt it down some more. So I took my tweezers and I plucked apart some more, and then I took my hot comb and I got it super flat because you know we like flat over here. And then I'm going to take like the slightest bit of concealer and put it in my line, like in my part. And I also took the foundation just a tad bit and like smooth it across my hairline to get rid of the ashy transparent vibe. You're going to want to go back and like blow dry some more and beat your face, and sis, you're gonna be fly. Here's the after, sis. It looks way more blended, and yeah, I went back and like flipped my bang more, and you know, yeah, styled that thing, you feel me? So here's the finished results. Thank you guys so much. Yeah, thank you Ali Pearl for sending me this hair. Bye bye. Alright y'all, so that's it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. 3 hashtag notification got me. More videos coming soon.